Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're going to be replacing this handle on the tailgate for the Toyota pickup. This is the part number from Dorman. And we also have all these parts that are going to go on soon, as soon as the drop kit gets here. And we have these for it. So all that's going to be in another video. And we also have another set of wheels, which we're going to show you right now. So this is the other set that we just picked up today. So we're gonna throw these on there and see how it looks. If we don't like these, then we'll keep the Crown Victoria wheels. For now, let's just replace the tailgate handle. So we have to remove all these screws. They're just the Phillips head. And that will give us access to the handle on the inside of the tailgate, because it doesn't open. So that's the reason why we're replacing this handle. So let me go ahead and remove all the screws and then I'll put you guys back on. Okay, so now that we have it removed, we can see that only one side was pulling and the other side is broken. So there's like two 10mm bolts right here. They have to come off. You also have to remove these plastics actually before pull those off, so I can let go of the handle. And the new handle doesn't come with new bolts, so you're gonna have to reuse the ones that you take off. So make sure you don't lose it. This is the handle, and this is what breaks. These from these little clips, and also this one of the little arms fell off, so it broke off actually. There's the new handle, and they look the same, so just remember to put the little seal on this one. Like that. Slide it back on and then you put the bolts in. Make sure you don't over tighten them, because I'm pretty sure they will break since it's only plastic. So then just slide this in, and you slide the other one in, and that's it. So now let's see if it works. There you go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Young_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we have more videos coming up on this little pickup. So catch you on the next one.